this is the main panel. It's a touch screen concept. Okay, so for the symbol of each of the panel is like this. This is the, if you want to do the cooling of the chamber. Okay, the second icon is preheating. The third icon is the home page, if you want to go home, go back to home page. And then this is time and date, setting icon, delete icon, save icon, and back icon. Okay, for the main panel, first layer is a regeneration program, my chef program, and manual. So the regeneration program is a program to reheating your product that has been by manufacturer, setting by manufacturer. My chef generation is the users of the owner on their own recipe of preheating. The manual is a manual preheating concept. Okay, so they have a holding program for holding the food. So this machine can become a holding warmer. So my chef holding is also the holding for holding the food in the chamber, but with the users presetting. So there is an extra button. For extra button is a extra features for this machine is a final core temperature recording. This is delay start, accept icon, multi-level regeneration, program block, and upload or download the recipe program. Then if you want to go back, you just press back to the main page. Okay, before you do any type of regeneration, recommended to do the preheating for the chamber. Okay, so to do a preheating, press the preheating function icon, and then you can select. This is a holding preheating is set by for 90 degrees Celsius. For Regen, the product recommended to preheating up to 120 degrees Celsius. So once you press this one, okay, it will show it has been set 120 degree for preheating, regeneration preheating, and this is the actual temperature current. So to start this preheating, press start button. Then at first the machine will be start the preheating for the chamber. You can have a look at the temperature, actual temperature. It will increase until 120 degrees Celsius. Okay, for holding program, select the holding preheating. So it's a manufacturer set for 90 degrees Celsius for holding. So this is the current temperature, and then to start this program, press start. Okay, for my chef regeneration is a program that has been set by the users. You just press this one. So same, it will come with the cold food multi-portion, frozen food multi-portion, or in entry, cold food platter, frozen food platter. So example, you select the cold food multi-portion. So this is the example product that we already do the setting. So you just can select whatever product you want. Example, sauce in plastic. That's okay. So the panel will show the setting that we have done for Regen the product. To start this, same, press start. This is 2 cycle regeneration program. First cycle, it will regen up to 100 degree for 20 minutes. Second cycle, it will maintain the temperature 80 degree for holding infinity. Okay. If you want to start the regeneration program, in the panel they have a regeneration program have been preset by manufacturer. This is the users set by users. So for regeneration program, you press once and then you can see this another 1, 2, 3, 4 different icon of uses. For cold food, multi portion in the bar, frozen food in the bar, cold food pre-plate, frozen food pre-plate. So it's depend on your users punya product what to regen. Let's say you want to preheat using a bug, select. So this is the menu that already set by manufacturer. To select this one, you can use the knob, okay, and scroll the knob to select the product. Example, you want to use preheat lasagna. When you select lasagna, press knob, okay, it will show the phase of preheating process. So this is show the lasagna regeneration heating process. Only use one cycle with 150 degree using a core probe, 55% cavity. If you want to start the program, press insert the food, okay, close. Because this is using a core probe, then you have to put the core probe inside the food. So the core probe will be inside the chamber together with the food. Then close and press start to start the program. So this is show it will reheat the lasagna until the core temperature of the food reach to 65 degree. So you're following the probe. So this is the manual regeneration program. Okay, you can press the manual. Okay, so they will come with this what we call general setting. Okay, so they will show C is cycle. You can set a few cycle for regen your product. This is a temperature icon. It's a time icon if you want to do time. This is a core probe, temperature core probe if you want to set the product by the temperature. CC is a cavity or humidity for the chamber. This is a fan symbol. Fan symbol for this machine tak ada because it's upon request when you order the machine. Okay, to do the setting, first you have to press at the temperature. This setting can be referred at the page 18 and 19 in the user guide. Okay, so you can check the user guide for the user guidance for the setting for the regeneration program. So for the manual, it will show like this. Let's say you want to reheat something. Example, you want to reheat rice. Temperature you set like, let's go for 85 degrees. then you want to OK, just press the knob. Okay. If you want to set the core temperature using core probe, you can set temperature up to desired temperature. Let's say 70 and press OK. This is the cavity. It's determined by percentage. Cavity humidity, example, I want to put like for rice, I want to put like 90% of humidity. Okay. If you want to add the cycle, you just press the cycle. Then scroll for cycle 2. Then it will come out the cycle 2. Let's say cycle 2 you want to holding. Okay. But later you have to add. If you select core temperature, time cannot be set. Faham that concept? So for holding temperature, press what temperature you want to holding. Example 65. Okay, and then you want to holding set time. You want to holding for 30 minutes. Cool. Then you want to maintain the temperature to maintain the humidity inside the chamber for 90. Then for start this program, you want to see the program, you can just press back or just press start together. You want to press back, it will show like this. So this is the first setting for the manual setting. If you want to save this program, okay, you can select the type of program. Example is my chef Regen. Okay, it's a cold plate platter. Then you can do the name of the product. Delete first, then you can type product name. Example, nice. Then press save. If you want to start the program, continue to press start. Example, open the door, number 3, close, and select the Regen program. Okay, so cool food question. So for this, I will select sauce in plastic. Okay, this is the program setting. Then press start. And let's